Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make biscuit halwa at home. This easy method starts with gathering your ingredients. You'll need some biscuits, milk, and sugar. First, crush your chosen biscuits into fine crumbs. A blender works best, or you can use a rolling pin. Next, prepare a simple sugar syrup on the stovetop. This forms the sweet base for our delicious dessert. Now, let's start cooking. Melt 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once melted, add your biscuit crumbs to the pan. Roast these crumbs until they become fragrant and turn a light golden brown. Remember to stir continuously during this step. This prevents burning and ensures all the crumbs cook evenly, developing a rich flavor. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And speaking of staying cool in the kitchen, quick recommendation. Stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your water cold while you're whipping up delicious treats. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your crumbs are perfectly roasted, it's time to combine everything. Carefully pour the warm sugar syrup into the pan with the biscuit crumbs. Mix everything thoroughly until the mixture thickens and starts to pull away from the sides of the pan. This indicates it's ready. Finally, garnish your halwa with chopped nuts or a pinch of cardamom powder for an aromatic finish. Your delicious biscuit halwa is now ready to be enjoyed. You can serve it warm, which is often preferred, or at room temperature. For a neat presentation, press the halwa into a greased plate and cut it into squares or diamond shapes once cooled slightly. This easy dessert is perfect as a quick treat or a sweet snack anytime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.